Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is Claude AI. What is this Claude AI? The AI revolution that just crashed the entire IT sector. Okay, actually, what happened on January 30, 2026? Something happened that wiped out 2 trillion from the global stock market in just 3 days. Companies like Thomson Reuters lost 18% overnight, SAP collapsed by one third, and Microsoft, Oracle, Salesforce all in free fall. What caused this massive crash? And it's not a war, not an economic crisis. A single AI tool announcement that is called Claude AI. And if you work in IT, software, customer service, data analysis, legal, finance, or any white collar job, this video might be the most important 20 to 30 minutes of your life. I am going to show you exactly what's happening, why 50% of entry level jobs could vanish in the next 1 to 5 years, and most importantly how you can survive and even thrive in this AI revolution. Okay, let's dive in. What exactly happened? Let me cover some theory. Okay, let me cover some background what happened actually in the IT sector. Okay, so here the story that mainstream media is not telling you properly. Okay, media is not telling actually what happened on January 12th, 2026. A company called Anthropic AI, you might not know them yet, but they are the makers of Claude AI, launched something called Claude Cowork. This Claude Cowork, later what happened then on January 30th, they released 11 powerful plugins for it, and the entire software industry panicked. Why? What happened? Let me explain what Claude Cowork actually is, because this is what's changing everything. Okay, you know how ChatGPT can answer questions and write text, right? That's cool, but it can't actually do anything on your computer, right? Okay, well, Cloud Cowork is different. It's like having a virtual employee sitting at your desk. Just give it access to a folder on your Mac and it can read and organize all your files, create professional PowerPoint presentations from scratch, build Excel spreadsheets with formulas and charts, write Word documents with perfect formatting, generate PDFs, analyze data, write code, even browse the web and fill out forms with the Chrome extension. But here, where it gets scary for traditional software companies, those 11 plugins they released, they are specialized AI agents for legal work, legal work for contract reviews, compliance checks, legal summaries, and financial AI agent. That financial AI agent, what it will do, it used for financial analysis, accounting tasks, and AI agent for marketing in the context of marketing, used for content creation, campaign planning, like that. And the AI agent for data analysis, it is used for processing huge data sets instantly. And AI agent for AI agent for customer support, like handling customer queries, like that. And AI agent for sales, like CRM work, lead management, like that. And AI agent for HR, here recruitment screening, benefits administration, like that. Okay, you know what all these plugins replace? Okay, billion-dollar software companies, why pay $50,000 per year for Salesforce when an AI can do 80% of the work for $100 per month? Why hire a team of paralegals when Claude can review 1,000 contracts overnight? Wall Street understand this immediately. That's why they hit the panic button. Okay, here the real numbers, the SaaSpocalypse. What is this? SaaSpocalypse means here the market sell-off was brutal. Let me show you the actual damage. Okay, here Thursday, not Thursday, it's Tuesday, I think. Yeah, Tuesday, February 3rd, June 2026. What happened? Thomson Reuters down 80% in one day, their worst day ever. And Legal Zoom down 19.68 percentage, not 68, 68 percentage. And RELX means owns LexisNexis down 40%. FactSet 10%. Intuit 10%. Equifax 10%. What are these? These are the popular software companies, IT companies originated in that Wall Street or America. Like, okay, the software industry overall, here JP Morgan software index down 7% in a single day. Total software sector losses for 2026 here down 80%. And SAP is the Germany's most valuable company, down 33% from its peak. People started calling it the like some SaaSpocalypse, means like software as a service apocalypse, right? But it gets worse. Indian IT stocks got hammered too, like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, all dropped 4 to 7% in one session. Why? What happened? Because like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, these companies make money by providing software services. If AI can do it cheaper and faster, their entire business model collapses. And here's the real scary part. This isn't just about stock prices. This is about your job. Okay, let's see the job crisis. Who's at risk? Here, let's talk about what nobody wants to say. Say out loud here. The Dario Amodio, I think, CEO of Anthropic, the company that made Claude, here said this at the World Economic Forum in Davos. Here, what he told: AI Claude eliminate 50% of all entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 1 to 5 years. We could see unemployment reach 10 to 20%. He told. Who is that? Anthropic CEO Dario Amodio, I think. Correct me if I spell wrong. Okay, he called it a potential white-collar bloodbath, like that he called. And he is not alone. Also, some few CEOs also said like this only. Here are what other CEOs are saying. Mark Benioff, Salesforce CEO: we won't be hiring additional software engineers, customer service agents, or lawyers because of AI. And one more, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy, what he told: no, our corporate workforce will shrink from AI over the next few years, like that. And Ford CEO Jim Farley, what he told: AI will have the number of white collar jobs, means it will reduce half of the white collar jobs, like that. Arvind Krishna, IBM CEO: I could easily see 30% of non-customer facing roles getting replaced by AI, like that. Now, let's look at the actual idea. Here, jobs most at risk in 2026 are like entry-level software developers. AI can now write code better than junior programmers. Customer service representatives like chatbots and AI agents are taking over. And data entry clerks, 99% is automation risk. And basic financial analysts like AI can analyze data 1000x faster. And paralegals and legal researchers, 80% is automation risk by 2026. Junior accountants, 70% of banking operations being automated. Content writers, AI generates it instantly. Okay, administrative assistants, 80% of tasks can be automated. Telemarketers already being replaced also. Okay, junior marketing analysts, AI does the analysis in seconds. These 10 jobs, mostly 10 types of job sectors, mostly in risk. Okay, here the Stanford Digital Economy Lab found that entry-level hiring in AI exposed jobs has dropped 30% since ChatGPT launched. Already it is happened. In the first 6 months of 2025 alone, 77,000. One second, what is this number? Not okay. 7,79,999 tech jobs were lost directly due to AI. Entry-level job postings dropped 50% year over year. Okay, tech hiring decreased 58% compared to 2024. Here, what Goldman Sachs estimates: 300 million jobs could be lost or degraded worldwide, like that they told. But here, what's different this time? Previous automation hit factory workers and blue collar jobs. This AI wave is hitting educated white collar workers, people with college degrees, MBAs, professional certificates. Even computer science graduates now have 6.1% unemployment, nearly double the rate of philosophy majors. Your college degree, it's not protecting you anymore now. Here the Claude Code, the $1 billion phenomenon, what it is. Now let me tell you about Claude Code, because understanding this is key to understanding where we are headed. Okay, Claude Code launched in May 2025. 6 months later, it hit 1 billion in annual revenue. Okay, it's really huge. Think about that 1 billion in 6 months. Even ChatGPT didn't grow that fast. Okay, but here what really interesting, it was built for developers, but non-coders started using it for everything: booking theater tickets, filling taxes, monitoring tomato plants in their garden, automating Slack messages, organizing personal photo archives, planning vacations, like that. Here Jensen Huang, the Nvidia CEO, called it incredible and urged companies to adopt it. What Nvidia CEO told? Asking companies to adopt Claude AI. A senior Google engineer said it recreated a year's worth of work in 1 hour. Just imagine 1 year work, just it completed it within 1 hour. And also Microsoft CEO, which sells its own AI coding tool, GitHub Copilot, asked all its engineers to install Claude Code and compare it to their own product. That Microsoft CEO told. That's like Coca-Cola telling employees to try Pepsi. It's good. Okay. The Boris Cherney, the head of Claude Code at Anthropic, revealed that for 30 days straight, 100% of his coding was done by AI. He just reviewed and approved. What happened here? Simply 30 days straight code. 100% of his coding was done by AI. Like that he told. He runs 5 Claude instances in his terminal plus 5 to 10 more in his browser, all working simultaneously on different tasks. What happened here? He runs five Claude instances, 5 types of works, like that. He runs and in different terminals. Okay, and 5 to 10 more in his browser, all working simultaneously on different tasks. That is the power of Claude AI. And here the kicker, Claude Cowork, the tool that crashed the stock market, it was built in 1.5 weeks. 1.5 weeks means roughly 10 days. Claude Cowork was built within 10 days using Claude Code itself. Claude Cowork was built using Claude Code itself. Okay, Claude Code is different and Claude Cowork is different. The AI built the AI that replaced human jobs. Here what happened? The AI built the AI that's replacing human jobs. Think about it. It's in really some type of serious. Here, what this means for you. Actually, what this means for you. So we have covered the bad news. Now let's talk about what you need to do. Because here's the truth. AI is not going away. Companies have discovered they can operate with fewer people and high profits. That's they're not going back. Okay. Here, this isn't a temporary recession. This is a permanent restructuring of how work gets done. But that doesn't mean you are doomed. It means you need to adapt the new technology, adapt the new tools, adopt the AI systems, adopt the AI ecosystems. Here, your survival strategies. Here, learn to use AI tools immediately. Don't compare with AI. Just use it. 60% of laid off workers say learning AI skills will improve their job security. 20% of hiring managers say AI upskilling could have saved employees from layoffs. Companies are increasingly requiring AI literacy in job descriptions. 400% increase. Okay. Here, start today. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini for daily tasks. Learn basic prompt engineering. Experiment with AI tools in your workflow. Take free online courses like Coursera, edX, YouTube, like that. Average cost of upskilling is like $365. Average time investment is 6 hours per week. That's it. $365 roughly, and 6 hours per week. That's it. Simply shift from doing to reviewing and coordinating. That's it. The second step is shift from doing to reviewing. AI is great at execution. Humans are better at strategy and vision, complex decision making, emotional intelligence, creative and innovation, building replacements, ethical judgment, like that. Position yourself as the person who review AI outputs for quality, coordinates multiple AI agents, marks final strategic decisions, handles complex client relationships. And the third one is focus on AI resistant skills like jobs least likely to be automated: healthcare, nurses, therapists, doctors. Education like the teachers, trainers. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, HVAC, like that. Creative roles like art directors, designers. And management and leadership, relationship based, and counseling and coaching. Okay, here consider reskilling into growing fields. Some jobs increasing due to AI, like what are the jobs? AI specialists and engineers build and maintaining AI systems, and data scientists making sense of AI outputs, cybersecurity experts protecting AI systems, and healthcare administrators managing AI in healthcare. Clean energy specialists, like AI needs massive power. AI ethics officers, like ensuring responsible AI usage. Human AI interaction designers, like making AI usable. And the fifth one, building your personal brand. In an AI world, your unique voice and perspective matter more, not less. Okay, start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Share your expertise on LinkedIn. Build a portfolio of work. Network actively. Stay adaptable. The World Economic Forum estimates 170 million new jobs will be created by 2030. The key is being ready to pivot when opportunities arise. Okay, the bigger picture. Now, let me give you some perspective. Yes, this is scary. Yes, these jobs will be lost, but this have happened before. When the printing press was invented, scribes lost their jobs, but we got books, newspapers, and mass education. When ATMs came, everyone said bank tellers would disappear, but the number of bank branches actually increased because banks could offer more locations. When computers arrived, secretarial jobs changed, but new industries emerged like software, IT support, digital marketers. The pattern is always the same. New technology disrupts existing jobs, short-term pain and unemployment. New industries and job emerge. Society adapts and prospers. The question is, how can you minimize your pain and maximize your opportunity? Here, my prediction is by 2030, many routine white collar jobs will be automated, but new jobs we can't even imagine it will exist. The people who thrive will be those who learn to work with AI, not against it. Human skills like creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking will be more valuable, not less. Companies that are already winning, tell us that 13,000 plus custom AI solutions, 30% faster code shipping, JPR 89% AI adoption, and 800 plus internal AI agents. Bank of America $25 million invested in AI reskilling. These companies didn't fire everyone, they upskilled everyone. That's the path forward. Okay, this is the way how the AI is evolving day by day. Here, finally, here, let me leave you with this. Like on January 30, 2026, the world changed. Claude Cowork and its plugins showed us what's going, and it's coming fast. 50% of entry level white collar jobs could vanish in the next 1 to 5 years, but we don't have to be in the 55%. Here, what you need to do this week, I will show you how to sign up Claude, how to use that Claude Cowork and all. Okay, this I given some introduction. Okay, let's go to let's learn how, let's start how to install or how to sign up to the Claude, how the Cowork is working, like that. Okay, the question is like, will you be ready, like that? Okay, let's see, let's start. Okay, just remember, AI won't replace humans who use AI, but humans who use AI will replace humans who don't. The choice is yours. Start learning, start adapting, start today, because tomorrow might be too late. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss about the Claude AI related, how the Cowork is working, how to use Cowork, everything. I will explain whatever the things I discussed in this video. I will explain everything, installation of Claude and everything, setup, signing up, everything. We will see in the next video. Okay, if this video helped you understand what really happening with AI and jobs, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on surviving and thriving in the AI age. Drop a comment below telling me what's your current job, how do you think AI will affect it, what skills are you planning to learn. Definitely, I read every single comment, and remember, we are all in this together. Let's help each other navigate this AI revolution. See you in the next video where I shall show you exactly how to use Claude Cowork step by step. Until then, stay curious, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay human.